SpamTitan Email Security is an advanced email protection solution that blocks phishing, ransomware, and malicious email threats. SpamTitan offers protection against malware, spear phishing, advanced persistent threats or APTs, offering insights into new threats to help mitigate risks. The series is divided into 4 parts: account activation, download and installation, using the add-in, anti-spam portal user guide. This is the 3rd video of EasyNode's anti-spam tutorial series. Now, let me provide a detailed discussion on its Outlook add-in functions. If you're ready, let's begin. Open the desktop version of Microsoft Outlook to use it. Click on the Add-ins menu and the STOA ribbon displays. You can use the SpamTitan Outlook add-in to do the following. You can add and remove senders from your allow or block list. Select an email and click the block list drop-down menu to select add to block list or remove from block list. Select an email and click the allow list drop-down menu to select add to allow list or remove from allow list. Select the sender you want to mark and click flag as spam to mark as spam. Select the sender you want to make and click flag as ham to mark as ham. To see if a sender is already on your allow or block list or not, select an email from that sender and click check listed. A message will display to tell you the status of the sender. Click Request Quarantine Report to receive a quarantine report within a few minutes. The report will show you all emails currently in quarantine. You will not receive a report if your quarantine is empty or your user policy is quarantine reports disabled. Click Options to edit your STOA settings. The host name or IP address of your SpamTitan server without HTTP or HTTPS. The port for access. Check this box if you're using HTTPS. The email address you use to log into your SpamTitan. The password you use to log into your SpamTitan. Check this box to automatically send any email marked as spam to your Outlook junk folder. That wasn't very hard, was it? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you next time!